Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change Twitter X display color and enable dark mode. You just easily change your display color. Okay, and provide full guide. If you don't get this option, and provide solution. So let's get started. So simply at first open your X account and log in your account. Press on profile. Scroll down, showing it to settings and privacy. Okay, scroll down, showing it to accessibility, display and language. Open this, press on display. Okay, showing it to three different way, to system, day and night, that's mean dark mode, and showing it to increase or decrease text size. Okay, not showing it to exactly color change option, so don't upset. Go back. So you just open your any browser, like open my Chrome browser, or if you want to use your Google Chrome, open my Safari browser, go to search option, search it to X login. You just log in your X account from your browser. Okay, I'm just log in from my browser and log in my account. Press on profile, settings and privacy, and click on accessibility, display and language. Press on display and I finally get this option. Easily select draft to change and customize. So as you can see, now successfully customize this. So that's it.